Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Three-letter words quiz for kids. What do you wear on your head to block the sun? Hat. Which word describes the star that shines in the day? Sun. What do you use to sleep on in your room? Bed. Which word means the opposite of cold? Hot. What do you call a male parent? Dad. What do you use to catch a fish or a butterfly? Net. Which word means to move your feet quickly? Run. What do you use to cook eggs in? Pan. What do you do with a chair? Sit. What part of your body do you use to hear? Ear.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures!